SDSL Digital Mart. Ramadan is a holy month of fasting, prayer, and reflection for millions of Muslims around the world. While the practice of fasting during Ramadan is well known, the benefits of this month extend far beyond the physical act of abstaining from food and drink. In this video, we'll explore the multifaceted benefits of Ramadan, from its positive impacts on physical health to its profound effects on spiritual well-being. Join us as we uncover the hidden gems of this month and discover how fasting during Ramadan can transform mind, body, and soul. Health benefits. Fasting during Ramadan can provide numerous health benefits. For example, fasting has been shown to improve digestion by allowing the stomach and intestines to rest and heal. It can also lower cholesterol levels and promote weight loss, as the body burns stored fat for energy when it is not receiving food. Additionally, fasting has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels, which can be beneficial for those with diabetes. Finally, fasting can boost the immune system by increasing the production of white blood cells and reducing inflammation. Self-discipline and self-control. Fasting during Ramadan requires discipline and self-control, as individuals must abstain from food and drink from dawn until sunset. This can help develop these qualities in individuals, which can be useful in other areas of life, such as work, relationships, and personal goals. By learning to control their desires and impulses, individuals can develop greater self-discipline and self-control. Empathy and compassion. Fasting during Ramadan can increase empathy and compassion for those who are less fortunate. As individuals experience hunger and thirst for a significant part of the day, they may gain a greater understanding of the struggles of those who do not have access to regular meals or clean drinking water. This can lead to a greater desire to help others and give to charity, which is a central tenet of Islam. Spiritual growth. Ramadan provides an opportunity for individuals to focus on their spiritual growth and deepen their connection with God. Increased prayer, Quran reading, and reflection can help individuals develop a greater sense of purpose and meaning in life. By setting aside time to focus on their spiritual well-being, individuals can gain a deeper understanding of themselves and their place in the world. Family and community bonding. Ramadan is a time for families and communities to come together and break their fasts, pray together, and engage in acts of charity and service. This can help strengthen relationships and build a sense of community. By sharing meals, prayers, and experiences with others, individuals can develop a greater sense of belonging and connection to their family and community. Overall, the benefits of Ramadan are numerous, both in terms of physical and spiritual health. By fasting, engaging in acts of charity and service, and focusing on their spiritual well-being, individuals can develop self-discipline, empathy, compassion, and stronger relationships with their family and community.